Cheese Days can officially begin now.
Oh, wait, what happened?
This is what you call bandana camping. When our tent is so close to the kids' tents, I gotta shove a bandana in my wife's mouth at night. She's a screamer. All right, so first time I'm gonna be down in Toledo, probably about a day and a half overall, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm leaving Sunday morning, it's Friday evening. So in 36 hours, how many times am I gonna end up at this Toledo marketplace?
I vote 5.
5? I'm thinking 5, maybe 6. You know, I gotta check and get my chicken on the stick.
I've been here since Wednesday. I'm on trip 3, I think.
Oh yeah, this is what I got.
I'll say 7.
Everyone always wants something,
Yeah.
and they always send dad out or mom.
Yeah, that's okay. But this time I gotta admit, you know, I saw the big crowd of people and we were going, I'm just like, I'm not gonna ask. Because then it gets, 7, 8 people.
Is that why you were trying to sneak into the car?
That wasn't called sneaking. I was just kind of moving slowly. I just wasn't opening my mouth and drawing attention to myself. Chicken on a stick. I've never seen this in a parade, a public bus. So let me show you what I got going on here. Yep, that's Tava. That's my dog. She's in timeout. Every time I bring it to this festival, it's the same shit. She starts a fight. She's a freaking bully. She goes ahead, she beats up dogs. Everyone gets upset, and everyone's like, you can't blame the dog, but you can blame the owner. And then it's all looking at me like, you're horrible. And she's embarrassing me.
you just need to look for the congratulations. Let me help you. And so I like go through and I'm like, here we go.
Nothing beats a genie's breakfast. Well, time to get some new tents. Over the last 20 years, we seem to buy a tent every 2 or 3 years, which is a lot cheaper than an RV. There's a hole in the girls' tent, and then this tent over here has a rip. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's all torn up. So I'm just taking them to the dump, and we're going to start fresh. I'll go ahead and get some new tents.
You ready? All right, everybody, say fart. Fart? Fart, do that. There you go. Hang on, one more just to say we did. All right.